Mr. Rajesh Shah, please. Mr. John Orwell.
Kamche, I am gratified and honored, along with the many people who work with me as friends of Karura Forest, to conserve and protect and secure, for the benefit of public good, these beautiful forests, Karura Reserve. And I would like Your Holiness to introduce to you a group of people who have dedicated themselves to the protection and conservation of this forest. To your right there is Rajesh, who heads our education outreach for Karura Forest. And we have two graceful ladies here, Christina, if you can stand up, and Lucy, who are also involved in that effort. Along with them, many of your devotees come to Karura for recreation purposes, and we thank all of you because you protect this forest by using it. I want to mention two things that I have learned today as we have been honored. One is that I've never worn a turban. And today will be the beginning of a new chapter in my life, because wearing a turban will have a very different meaning. To be in your company, Your Holiness, makes me feel like I am walking with a saint, and indeed I am. I have been told that you are a great advocate for the conservation of flora and fauna, not just here in Africa, but all over the world. And you have traveled to many countries preaching the good word of protecting our environment and our natural resources, and in particular, protecting biodiversity and planting trees. I am told that Sri Swaminarayan has been a great advocate against climate change. I do not know how many of you know this, but the protector of Karura Forest, the one who initiated the biggest fight to protect this real estate, was the late Honorable Professor Wangari Maathai, who, like His Holiness, have been an advocate for against climate change, and telling people that climate change is real, and if we do not do something about it, then we are doomed. God and our Creator gave us the ability to protect what He gives to us, and to nurture it, and to conserve it, and to use it sustainably, so that it can be used by generations and generations to come. The spiritual leader who is here with us has walked that path, and I feel extremely honored. And all of us who are in Karura Forest and working for Karura Forest will remember this day. And in particular, we want to promise you one thing, that the tree you will plant today, we will protect it, love it, and make sure it grows into a big tree, so that when you come next time, you can come and touch it. I know we started a chapter here. Finally, to all of you who live in Nairobi, this is your forest and you must use it. And to use it is to come and bring your children, bring your fathers and mothers, the elderly. Let them walk in nature and commune with nature and love God's creation. That is what we have saved this forest for. Please come, join us in protecting this forest by using it, even for your weddings. Yeah? When that time comes, come for your wedding here. Come for your parties. Enjoy, and God bless you, and you be blessed very much. Thank you very much.
I'd like to request Mr. Rajesh Shah to come forward and say a few words, please.
આપ સૌને મારા જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. આજે આપણે બહુ નસીબદાર છીએ કે આવો સરસ દિવસ મળ્યો છે ને વધારે નસીબ ઉગડી ગયા કે સ્વામીજી આપણે સમક્ષ આવ્યા ને આ દિવસ સુધરાવી દીધો. એ બદલ આપનો આભાર માનું છું અને તમે સમાજનો પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. Karura Forest Environment Education Center એની સ્થાપના થઈ 5 ટ્રસ્ટીઓથી. એમાં એક હતું કેન્યા શેલ, પછી ગ્રીન બેલ્ટ મૂવમેન્ટ, કેન્યા ફોરેસ્ટ સર્વિસ, ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ઓફ કરુરા ફોરેસ્ટ ને ઓશવાલ એજ્યુકેશન એન્ડ રિલીફ બોર્ડ. એ પાંચ સંસ્થાઓએ ભેગા થઈ ને કરુરા ફોરેસ્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ એજ્યુકેશન શરૂ કર્યું. તો શું આ બાળકો જ્યારે ફોરેસ્ટમાં આવે તો એમને શીખવવામાં આવે કે આ બધું કેવી રીતના ધ્યાન રાખવી, આપણો જે નેચર છે જે એમની કેવી રીતના પાલન પોષણ કરવું. માફ કરજો, મારું ગુજરાતી એટલું બધું સારું નથી પણ કોશિશ કરું છું. હવે આ તમે બધા આજે આવ્યા ને અહીંયા કે ફોરેસ્ટમાં આવ્યા ને જે ફોરેસ્ટની પ્રગતિ થાય છે એ બદલ પણ તમારો બધાનો આભાર માનું છું. બસ, થેન્ક યુ.
I forgot to introduce you to these other turbaned people. This is Peter, our deputy head of Scouts. And we have hired 27 scouts from the poor communities that live around the forest to help protect the forest. And the gentleman next door is John Orwa. John Orwa is he's a senior forester in charge of this forest from the Kenya Forest Service. And thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. So he will now explain.